Hey everyone, I want to do a short and simple review on the tree dashers for Allbirds, and then I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm size 8.5 and the color is quartz. Here it is opened, and we open this up right here. Bam! Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take off the shoes. The color I got is quartz. That's out of 15 different colors. I'm going to go ahead and move this. These are what the shoes look like. Here it is up close. To the side. Underneath. Behind. And I'm going to take one of these shoes and show the innards of it. So as you can see, it says Allbirds right inside, and you can remove the sole. There we go. And you can wash it like that, or just remove the laces as well. You can put them in the washer, in the bag. What I like most about these Allbirds, I never had this with any other shoes, that around here in like this letter U, like right here, letter U, there's a wool comfort thing. It's really nice padding, I would say. And I'm gonna take my other shoe with the sole. So here it is. I'm gonna put it on. So naturally, I am usually size 8.5. With this, the laces aren't even that tight either. They're just out of the box and they fit perfectly. So I am a bit wary if I do wear socks, but if anything, it's just going to be snug, which is great. And I do have to break these in right, so I think these are going to feel very perfect. Overall, I do like them. I like the aesthetic of it. I like the gray heather laces right here and the white with gray accents. So yeah, thank you for watching this short and simple review. I love these shoes a lot, and thank you for watching.